guys, do you ever feel like your hair has a mind of its own? Like it's decided to go on a wild adventure without you, leaving you with a frizzy mess? And guys, expensive salon treatments are not the only option. We've all been there, right? So don't listen to your hairstylists, because today I'm going to tell you about some home remedies for frizzy hair that will help you tame that frizz. Frizzy hair can be caused by several factors including humidity, heat styling tools, harsh hair products and even genetics. But don't worry, we have got some tricks up our sleeves to fight that frizz and leave your hair looking and feeling its best. For our first remedy, we are going to turn to our trusty friend Aloe Vera. Aloe Vera is a natural moisturizer that can help hydrate and nourish dry, frizzy hair. It can help seal in moisture and prevent hair from becoming dry and brittle, which can lead to frizz. Now that we have a leaf of aloe vera, let's take a bowl and a knife. Let's slice it open and extract aloe vera gel from it. Whisk the gel in a bowl until it's smooth. Let's check the consistency now. It's really watery and a little slimy. Massage it onto your scalp with your fingertips for 5 to 7 minutes. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing it out with warm water. Remember, always apply this mixture after shampooing your hair and rinse it out with warm water and not conditioner. Next up, we have yogurt and lemon juice. Take a bowl, take some yogurt, add 3 teaspoons of yogurt to the bowl. Yogurt is rich in protein and fat, which can help moisturize and hydrate dry, frizzy hair. It can help nourish the hair follicles, leaving hair feeling softer and more manageable. Add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice to the bowl. Lemon juice can help clarify the hair and remove buildup from styling products, which can contribute to frizz. Let's mix it. Now that it's ready, apply it as a hair mask from the roots and leave it for 2 to 3 minutes before rinsing it out with lukewarm water. But wait, there's more. We have another remedy up our sleeves, and this one involves honey and coconut oil. Take a bowl, add 2 teaspoons of honey to the bowl. Honey is a natural humectant, which means it helps to attract and retain moisture. Add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil in the bowl. And now let's mix it. Coconut oil can penetrate deep inside the hair and help to reduce protein loss, which can lead to dry, frizzy hair. Now that the mask is ready, apply it to your hair from root to tip. Leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes before rinsing it out with warm water. So here's a small recap. For our first remedy to fight frizzy hair, we made a pack using aloe vera gel and applied it on our scalp. For the second remedy, we made a pack using yogurt and lemon juice. And lastly, for our third pack, we used honey and coconut oil. And there you have it, folks. Some simple and easy home remedies for frizzy hair. But remember, not all remedies will work for everyone. So it's important to do a patch test before trying any new ingredient on your hair. And if you have any concerns or questions, it's always a good idea to consult with a dermatologist or hair care professional. So go ahead and give these remedies a try and let us know how they work for you. Stay fabulous, my friends, and keep watching this space for more such content.